Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to receive crypto in Coinbase. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So the very first thing that we need to do is to simply open our Coinbase application here in our mobile device. Once open, click on the Receive button in the upper right hand corner. When you click on the Receive button, choose which platform you're going to receive the crypto from. So you have actually four options right here. You can actually first buy a crypto. Second, you can also use your Ethereum address. So you can use your QR code, or you could also have the link copied. Or you could also receive crypto from your Bitcoin address. Again, you can actually have the QR code, or you could also copy the link and send it to the person. Now, you could also choose from other assets if you would like to. So just click on the button there below, and basically, that's how you can receive crypto in Coinbase. And basically, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video. Bye!